Ako makahiga sa kama ko because this is the current situation of my bed. Currently decluttered by clothes and I will be selling them this weekend, October 11 to 12 at the Creator Closet Cleanup. Pakita ko sa inyo some of the things that I will be selling, but it's going to be at the Avir or Avire Tower in Quezon City. It's going to be from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Marami kami magbibenta doon for sure. Nandun yung favorite creators nyo. Let's get into the clothes, shall we? Well, starting with bottoms, I'm going to sell these Levi's jeans. Basically, these are straight cut jeans and super ganda nito sa puwet. Well, next pair of jeans, these ones are my favorite. They flare out a bit. Tapos yung pockets niya nasa harap. These ones are from Cotton On. Siya pa naman siya, pero ang fit na niya dito sa balakang area, so I need to let her go. I'm also selling these cargo jeans from H&M. Ang ganda ng color na to. Another one for pants. These are from Love Bonito. Never ko to nasuot, pero wala lang yung tag niya. And ang ganda nito, very flowy and presko lang yung tela niya. I also have these wide leg jeans from Cotton On. And I remember binili ko to kasi it reminded me of a pair of jeans that I saw from Celine. For the price range of the pants, it's gonna start from I think 350 hanggang 800. Feeling ko mas mababa pa. Because if you guys have bought clothes from me, you would know na super pamigay na talaga yung prices ko. Next na ibibenta ko are these cohorts. I actually did a fit check here. Lalagay ko na siguro yung screenshot ng video. But it's a tube top and trousers. And super ganda na ito. Ang dami nagtanong saan ko nabili. And ayan, ibibenta ko na lang siya. I'm also going to be selling a bunch of my dresses. First is this dress that I got from Uniqlo. Actually, from the kids section to. Pero kasyang-kasya siya sa akin. And ang ganda nito kasi very flowy, very presko lang. So going to sell this dress that I got from Wear Sundays. Never ko pa ito nasuot. I know I got this for 800 pesos. And I think I'll just sell this for half the price or maybe even lower. Itong dress na to super sexy niya. Pero wala kasi ako masyadong hinaharap. So feeling ko mas bagay to if you guys have more things to fill in. Tops, marami akong ibibenta, but I'm just gonna show you some. Starting off with this Zara tube top. I've worn this in a video and super ganda nito. I also have this rib top from Cotton On. Very flattering din. I have this parang off-shoulder top na may ganitong accent. Feeling ko kasi hindi to bagay sa akin. I don't think I'm baddie enough for this. I'm also going to sell this top. I've never worn this, but feeling ko perfect to for a night out. This is this top from You The Label. So it's like a cowl neck top na you tie, tapos backless siya sa likod. I'm also going to sell some of my bags, starting off with this Gucci shoulder bag. I've had this for years na, so medyo vintage looking na talaga siya. Pero cute pa rin siya and super pamigay ko na to ibebenta. So please, kunin nyo na to. I'm also going to sell this Marc Jacobs bag. I bought this from Japan 2 years ago and parang once ko pa lang siya nagamit. Wear it crossbody and mayroon din siyang chain strap. As for bags is this Louis Vuitton crossbody bag. I think this is called the Viva Seat. I'm not sure. Pero binili ko to July 2024 when I went to Nagoya. Sa Kumeyo ko to binili. When I bought this from Kumeyo last July of last year, I got this for around 70,000 pesos. And ibebenta ko na lang to for half off or maybe even lower than half the price. So please kunin nyo na siya. Yan yung color ng strap niya. Hindi pa siya nagda-darken because ilang beses ko lang to nagamit. So super steal na. Anyway, those are just some of the things that I'll be selling this weekend, October 11 to 12 at the Creator Closet Cleanup. You guys can also buy tickets para priority kayo to enter and you guys don't need to line up with a walk-in. Just put their IG handle na alam ko you can buy via the link in their bio.